Chase Covington, right?
Yes, it was found on Chase Covington when she was arrested.
You were asked to analyze his house too, right?
No, I didn't analyze her house. The MSPD, the police officers, went to the house and collected those things.
So the MSPD analyzed. They did a forensic investigation in the house.
No, they just collected evidence and brought it to me for the forensic analysis.
So you analyzed that evidence, right?
Yeah, that's my job.
Not the MSPD, right?
Yeah.
Also, you swept his office, her office, Chase Covington's, right?
The MSPD did that, yes.
And they gave you the evidence,
Yes, that's what police officers do. They find evidence and they bring it to me and then I test it.
but you did not find anything noteworthy in that evidence, right?
In
The evidence of the house, of the...
we found the fragrance of Avery Bancroft in her home that can match the chemical stain inside the briefcase. We also found
I'm
no
sorry,
other
I'm asking you
briefcases.
about Chase Covington's house, not Avery Bancroft's house.
Chase Covington's house?
Yes. The evidence
no.
that was found, you didn't find anything noteworthy, except the briefcase.
The briefcase wasn't at her house. She was holding it when she was arrested. At her house, she didn't have any other briefcase. This was the only briefcase she had. We didn't find anything at her house that matched what was in the briefcase because there wasn't in the briefcase that matched anything at her house.
Okay, let's talk about the briefcase. So you mentioned that you analyzed the fingerprints on it, right?
Yeah.
You found fingerprint of Chase Covington on the handle, right?
Yes, I did.
And that can show only that the object was touched.
Yes, when we find fingerprints, that means they touched it, but that
Yes.
doesn't mean that's the only place they touched it.
It doesn't show the context, why it was touched.
No, I can't tell you why. I can't tell you like, oh, she touched it because of this or, you know.
You can tell you when.
No, in my conclusion I said that.
And also you didn't find fingerprints of Chase Covington in the latches of the briefcase, right?
Yes, which was very unusual. It kind of raises the question to why her
I
fingerprints
just
weren't on
asked
her
a
own
simple
briefcase.
question. I'm sorry, just ask a yes or no questions.
I'm sorry.
Did you?
No, I did not find her
You did not
fingerprints
find.
on the...
So that could mean that she didn't open the briefcase, right?
that could mean yes, or she just put some gloves on to open it.
So that's a yes. That could mean that she didn't open.
It could mean that, yes.
Also, I want to talk about the stain that you found on the briefcase.
Okay.
It was 1 inch diameter, right?
Yep.
And you performed a test on that.
Gas chromatography, mass spectrometry, yes.
A test about molecules, right?
Yes.
That it had, though, a 5% chance of not being true, right?
I mean, yes, but 95% is pretty much 100 when it comes to forensic evidence.
It's still, you can say pretty much. It had 5%
Well,
chance of not being true.
the fragrance stain can have the same, the reason it's only 95% is because of the two tests
I
that are
didn't
used.
ask you an open question, I just asked you, can it mean that a 5% chance is not true?
I suppose.
You suppose?
I s-
As an expert?
Well, I'm trying to explain to you that why this 5% is there, but you're not allowing me to answer it.
Thank you for your explanation. I just needed an answer to my question.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Also, I want to talk about the hair strand that you found. You found 2 hair strands, right?
No, I found 5.
I want to talk about 2 of them that were similar.
Why only 2? I'm sorry. All 5 of them were the same.
All 5 of them were the same?
Yes.
All 5 of them were Chase Covington's?
No, they were Avery Bancroft's.
And you just used a simple technique to analyze those, right?
I used light microscopy, which considered today is kind of junk science, but to further my investigation, I used mitochondrial DNA, which is a solid scientific evidence finding technique that we use.
So you used a microscope comparing two pieces of hair?
Yes, well, the light microscopy, essentially, you take two different microscopes and you look at the hairs. And you can kind
I
of...
just asked you, did you use just a microscope to compare it?
No, I did not just use that. I also used the mitochondrial DNA testing.
But you used a microscope, right?
Yes, followed up with the mitochondrial DNA testing.
No further questions.